Press Menu and select Equation. Press 2 twice. Enter values for A, B, and C. Press equals. X is equal to a half. Press equals again. X is equal to -5. I now need to get each value of x equal to 0. The opposite of divide by 2 is to multiply both sides by 2. And the opposite of add 1 is to subtract 1 from both sides. Likewise, as I want x to equal 0, the opposite of -5 is to add 5 to both sides.
Now I've got each equation equal to 0, I can simply place that back into brackets. Hence, we're factorising 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, and I get 2x minus 1, in brackets, multiplied by x plus 5.